Are you ready for another spring day? Now you got to remember that the season we're in is spring. Remember there were 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. There are 4 seasons, and I know them all. And this season is spring. It is still the month of April. I'm going to go ahead and add the date. And today is the 20th. There's that number 20. It's the 20th. So taking a look at that 20, taking a look at number 20, go straight up the calendar, and it tells you today is Tuesday. There's Tuesday. So today is Tuesday. Before Tuesday, yesterday was Monday. Marvelous Monday, terrific Tuesday. Tomorrow we had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Wonderful Wednesday. All right, go ahead and read these sentences with me. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. All right, today gets a little tricky because we have to make a trade. We have to trade in these 10 in a bundle for 10 ones. We have to trade. And that's a fair trade because there's 10 in the bundle and there's going to be 10 sticks, right? But we have to make that trade because in order to subtract, we have to unbundle those sticks. We have to take them apart because we are still subtracting our days that we have left in school. Let's see how many I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. There's 10. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I traded in a bundle of 10 for 10 ones. So I still have 20. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I still have 20 sticks here, but I do need to take one of those sticks away to keep our countdown rolling here. So I'm taking away 1. So I have some changes to make up here. I only have 1 group of 10s now. There's my 1 group of 10s. And now I have 9 ones. So I have 1 10 and 9 ones. You remember that number is 19. Come on, everybody. Let's get things done. Numbers in the teens, they start with a 1. 19. It's a 1 and a 9. All right. We are working really hard on our fact families, and the numbers we're going to be using today for our fact family triad is 6, 4, and 2. 6, 4, and 2. The whole is 6, and you can break down 6 into 4 and 2. So if you had 6 cookies, you can make a group of 4 cookies and a group of 2 cookies from those 6. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to put our dots. Here's our whole, 6. And then 4 and 2 are the parts that we're going to be talking about so that we can jump around here on our number line. Now, when we're adding, we put the 2 parts together to make the whole, right? So we put the 4 and the 2 together, and let's see what happens on our number line. Starting on the 4, jump 2, jump 1, jump 2. Of course, we landed on the 6, right? We landed on the number that represents our whole this time. I move that around. Now, we can change the order in which we add the parts. This time we'll add 2 first and then the 4. And it won't matter. Let's take a look at our number line. This time we started on the 2 and we'll jump 4. So jump 1, jump 2, jump 3, jump 4, and we still landed on number 6. We still landed on 6. So I'm going to put 6 right there, and those will be our 2 addition sentences for our fact family. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 2 plus 4 also equals 6. With subtraction, we will start with the whole each time because we need the bigger number. All right. When you subtract, the numbers will get smaller because you're taking something away. Now this time, let's take away the 4. Let's take away that part. Now, if we take away the 4, what part is left? The 2 is left. Let's just make sure on our number line that we're right. We've got 6, and we're going to take away 4. And when we're taking something away, we're jumping backwards. Our numbers are getting smaller. All right? If you had 6 cookies and someone came and took 4, you would definitely have less. You would have a smaller amount. So here we are on 6. Let's jump back 4. Jump 1, jump 2, jump 3, jump 4. And there we are. We landed on the 2, just like we thought we would. 6 minus 4 equals 2. So let's subtract the other part now. We've got 6. Let's subtract the 2. What will be left? The other part, 4, right? So let's just make sure on our number line that that's right, 6. And this time we're jumping back 2. Jump 1, jump 2. There we are. We landed on the 4 because 6 minus 2 equals 4. 6 minus 2 equals 4. All right, something a little different on our clock today. Our minute hand has moved. So first, let's talk about our hour hand. Now, our hour hand has moved. It's not pointing directly at the 1, but it's not at the 2 yet. So the hour is still going to be 1 because it's not at the 2 yet. It's kind of in between. All right, but our minute hand has moved. So something is different. Something is different. It's pointing to the 6. Each one of these numbers on the clock represents 5 minutes. So here's 5 minutes, here's 5 minutes, 5 more minutes, all the way around. So we have to count by 5s to be able to tell time. So we start at the 12. There's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes have passed. So I need to change that. 30 minutes have passed. And so if someone were to ask you what time it is on this clock, you would tell them it is 1:30. Read the hour first, then the minutes. 1:30. Now in words, we could spell it out. 1:30. 1:30. Need to make that just a little smaller so it all fits in there. I thought I did make it smaller, but okay. That's not what I wanted to do at all. There we go. It all fits in the box now. The time is 1:30. 1:30. Pretty cool, huh? Learning to tell time. All right, I am going to include a video that will review your vowel sounds because we all know how important vowels are.